Okay, now we're going to show you the other main job of the pickle packer or pickle tamper. So we have our smashed kraut here. Again, we're making some beet ginger kraut today. Really neat about the tamper is, as you'll see, they fit into both the regular mouth or wide mouth depending on the end. Okay, so we are going to utilize again our smart funnel, place that on top, and we're going to just start putting our salt, cabbage, beet, and ginger mixture into our regular mouth jar. We want to try to get as much liquid as we can into the jar. Believe it or not, you can get quite a bit of cabbage, pretty much a kilogram of cabbage into a quart jar. It's hard to believe because when you cut cabbage, it seems like you have so much, but once you salt it and get some of that liquid production from the salt and getting the cabbage juice out of it, it really shrinks down quite a bit. Okay, so we've used the funnel and the jar itself is pretty full, but as you'll see, the job of the pickle packer is very effective. So we're going to again use that the regular mouth side, and we're going to compress it down. And you can see we're going to get a lot more cabbage in there, but we can see we have really good brine and juice production. The beets really lend itself to a really beautiful color as well. So we're going to get our smart funnel back into play here and just keep going. You can see there's quite a bit left in the bowl. I think we'll probably get most of that into the jar. Use the tamper again, compress the vegetables down. It's really important that when you set this ferment to hang out on the counter for a week or two during fermentation, that all those vegetables are under the brine. And we will show you how the Mason Top products assist in that as well. So you can see the funnel is doing a great job of not making a huge mess all over my cutting board because of its design. And you also want to remember that you need to leave enough space for the pickle pebble, which is going to sit on the top of your vegetables, holding them under the brine. So the two main uses for the pickle packer tamper, again, are utilizing it to smash your kraut or your vegetables and to stuff your jars down, compressing the vegetables under the brine. As I already showed you, the two ends either fit into the regular mouth, and then as you can see here with our wide mouth jar, the opposite end fits in very conveniently there. I teach high school students fermentation in London, Ontario, and I'll tell you their main complaint about making kraut is the squeezing with their hands for an hour on end. And when we use these bashers, these pickle tampers, they are having a lot more fun, it's more enjoyable, and they don't have to squeeze and hurt their hands so badly. And if, say, you have things like arthritis or problems with your hands, this tool really does a great job. It's a workhorse. So I hope you get this wonderful product and utilize it in your own at-home fermentation.